everyone! Welcome to our vegan kitchen!
Today is Rainbow Tofu Nuggets Day.
You are right, Mr. Tofu. Today, we are going to prepare some tasty and colorful nuggets.
To prepare our nuggets, we are going to need 1 block of firm tofu, pressed for 15 minutes, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, and ½ teaspoon of onion powder.
Well, time to meet the star of this recipe.
I am the star today!
Let's start with you then. Lily, press the tofu with a cloth softly.
Like this, Mommy? So I can get rid of the extra water?
That's right, Lily. And now we are going to cut it into little nuggets, and you can choose the shape you want.
I am going to cut stars, Mommy! Look, Mommy, a bowl full of tofu nuggets!
Perfect, Lily. Now it's time to add the soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then the olive oil.
2 tablespoons of olive oil, right, Mommy?
Yes, Lily. And now we make the colors.
For our colors, we are going to use all natural products. Green, spinach powder, or very finely blended spinach leaves. For the pink, we'll use beet powder, or cooked beet puree. For the yellow, some turmeric powder. For the orange, some tasty sweet paprika powder. And for the purple, some sweet blueberry powder.
Let's make some nuggets green and put some spinach powder on them.
And then we can make some pink with the beetroot.
And others yellow with the turmeric, Mommy.
Did you know that turmeric is full of goodness? Fights inflammation and makes food really tasty.
And for the orange nuggets, we can use paprika powder and blueberry powder for our purple nuggets, Mommy. We have the rainbow in our bowls, Mommy.
Right, Lily. Now it's time to dip our colored tofu in our almond milk and in the breadcrumbs.
Yes, Mommy, look! It looks so beautiful and is not even cooked yet.
Let's finish all the colors, and then we can start to cook them, Lily.
They are ready!
Time to put them on a tray, and then in the oven. We're going to bake them for 20 or 25 minutes, and we will flip them over half through the cooking time.
So they can cook both sides, right?
Yes, they will cook perfectly.
I guess we should start preparing the dipping sauces. Sunshine sauce,
Made with turmeric and hummus.
pink dream sauce, made with cashew and beetroot.
Green garden dip sauce, made with avocado and yogurt.
I can't wait to have a bite. They look delicious, just like me.
You are right, Tofu. They are delicious, just like you.
I hope you enjoyed our recipe and will try it at home.
And don't forget, you can help us by liking this video, sharing it, and if you want, subscribe. Bye!